Hello everybody, I am very happy to bring you this delicious recipe today, and it is called a honey bun cake. And I have it torn off the back of a box of cake mix. Years ago, my sons, before we started homeschooling, they went to a Christian school years and years ago, and one of the teachers' dad brought in this cake, and my son Gunnar came home and said, "Mom, I had the best cake today," and it was called honey bun cake. And so when I asked about the recipe, this is what she brought me. I love it. It's just very nostalgic, right? So here's what you need for a honey bun cake. You need a buttered golden cake mix, so just a butter cake mix is fine. You need milk, sour cream, you need cinnamon, vanilla, pecans, brown sugar, powdered sugar, eggs, and butter. And this cake is so delicious and moist. It's kind of like it kind of makes you think of a coffee cake in a way. It's so good, and it's perfect with a cup of coffee or a glass of cold milk. And I don't know, something about the fall and these kind of flavors, they just seem to go hand in hand. So I wanted to share this with you today. So here we go. We're going to make a honey bun cake. Alright, to get started on this, we've got our cake mix open, and we are going to reserve a half a cup of the dry cake mix. That's going to go with some more of the ingredients to make a crumble on the inside of the cake. So we're going to reserve a half a cup of that, and then we're going to get it all in the stand mixer. I'm mixing up the reserved dry half a cup of cake mix with the brown sugar, the cinnamon, and then the pecans. Those, I kind of got a bowl that's a little bit too small, so I'm going to sprinkle on the pecans. So what we're going to do here is mix these together, get everything all stirred together, and then we're going to put it over the cake mix that's in the pan, and then pour the remainder on top. Alright, here's our cake mix, here's our mixture, and we're just going to sprinkle it on top. Alright, and then we'll just use our spoon, just kind of even it out. All over. Alright, looks good. And then next, the chopped pecans. We've got those all on. You can mix those all in with the brown sugar and the cinnamon and the remainder of the dry cake mix. Those can all be mixed in, but I just didn't get a bowl that was large enough. So this works just fine. Alright, now we've got everything in the middle, and now we're getting ready to add in the remainder of the cake mix on top, and this will be ready for the oven. And when it comes out, we'll put on the glaze. Alright guys, here is a look at the delicious honey bun cake, and I am so sorry I completely skipped showing you the step of putting on the glaze. But the whole recipe is in the description box below, and I really think you're going to love this cake. Give it a try. You can see where I took a little nibble out of the corner. It is so good. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it.